hot mine out there.
Did not want the dolphins becoming tame or dependent upon humans as the source of food. So it has been illegal now. For years, and that law is applicable to any marine mammal anywhere in the U.S.
If you want to get up here.
Oh, I'm fine.
We got at least 4 close here on our right side now.
That one was really close.
Big one on the more bow as well. Now we're kind of surrounded. Keep in mind these are wild dolphins living in their natural habitat. They're not trained and they're not tamed, and they do come and go as they please. Every trip of every day is different. We never know when, where, or how many we're going to see. I've always said running a dolphin watch boat's a little bit like managing a mutual fund. Never have to worry about us running over a bottlenose dolphin in a boat like the Holiday for 3 reasons. Number 1, they're just too smart to let that sort of thing happen to them. Number 2, they have the advantage of speed. They have a torpedo-shaped body and slip through the water very efficiently. Capable of swimming at speeds underwater sustained of up to 25 miles an hour with short burst speeds higher.
Ooh, right there.
They've got installed
You see